In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your Steam region. Steam offers a wide range of games at various prices, often influenced by the user's location. Changing your Steam region can potentially allow you to access cheaper games or region-locked content. However, the process involves using a virtual private network to alter your IP address. So, here's how to do it. 1. Obtain a VPN subscription. Just buy a VPN subscription. For me, I'm gonna use IPVanish because it's the best for me to use. And then download the application of the VPN on your computer. Log into the VPN application using your credential provided. 2. Connect to a VPN server. Determine which Steam region you want to access. For example, if you're aiming for cheaper prices, you might choose a country like Argentina. Use the VPN application to connect to a server in the desired region. 3. Open Steam and sign in. Launch the Steam client on your computer and log in to your Steam account. Next, you need to add any game or software to your shopping cart. This step is crucial for initiating the region change process. Check your shopping cart to confirm the selected product. And then locate the country information in your shopping cart, and then click on the arrow next to it to reveal a drop-down menu. Choose the country corresponding to the VPN server, for example, Argentina like here. Steam will prompt you to confirm the region change, and you can select a new region to proceed. Steam may require a payment method from the selected country to validate the region change. You have two options: obtain credit card information from a friend in the selected country, or purchase a Steam gift card specific to the chosen country. If opting for a gift card, purchase it and then redeem it and activate the code in Steam to finalize the region change. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.